Yep. Flatter than a pancake. Well, it's a sunny day in Little Rock. It's a few days after the great Arkansas blizzard. Most of the thaw off has happened. Currently it's about 50 degrees as I ride. I don't know, it's about 9:30 in the morning. It's the first time I've had my bike out for a while. I'm going to head over to Benton, Arkansas to Rebels Den Cycle Center and have them look at my rear wheel. I'm having a problem with my valve stem. For some reason it doesn't want to keep valves seated in it properly. I got these wheels. They're supposed to be tubeless wire rims, and apparently there's something wrong with that rear valve. I've been having problems with it off and on. I've changed the valve several times, but I'm going to take it over here at Rebels Den and have the guys replace the valve stem, or maybe put a tube in it instead. Anyways, here we go. Traffic's kind of heavy. It's way past rush hour, but it's still a little bit heavy here. And the route I'm going to take is, so I won't be at high speed in case that tire goes flat before I get over there. I got it filled up. It's leaking slowly. I put the valve cap on it, tighten it up real hard, and hope I can make this short ride over there to Benton, Arkansas. Yeah, I got off the interstate. Of course, I just don't want to be going at high speeds. That bad valve back there, I don't know what it's going to do. I'm taking a risk. I should have actually hauled the bike over there, but I just don't have no way to do it. Yeah, it's a very, very beautiful day. I know people get tired of me saying it's a beautiful day when I'm out on my bike, but any day on a bike's a beautiful day. If it was raining right now, it'd be a beautiful day. Whoa! I got a flat tire. The tire went flat. That's the reason I went this way. Yep. Flatter than a pancake. Not that far from Tony's. Hope it didn't ruin the tire. I didn't make it. Hey.
Hey, man, I'm gonna go ahead and come get you.
Okay.
I should have no problem getting your bike in my truck. Where exactly are you at?
Okay, you know, when you come off the service road, what's that, the Chevrolet dealer, or what used to be the Chevrolet dealer, and Congo's stoves?
Okay.
Just before you get to Highway 5. As I was going around the corner here, the tire went flat. Does that make sense?
So are you on the service road of the interstate, or are you on the highway back there?
I was on the service road, got off the service road to loop up onto Highway 5 to head over there towards your shop.
Okay, so are you sitting like at the dealership, like on the?
No, I'm almost to the top of the hill. I'm almost top of the hill. Up to Highway 5.
Okay, I'm just trying to think where you're getting on the Highway 5 by Congo Stove. Did you make it all the way to Congo Stove? I'm not from it.
Yeah, I just passed Congo Stoves, and then I was, got on the exit that loops back around to Highway 5.
Okay, the next exit right there. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, thanks a lot, Jacob.
Oh yeah, no problem. See you soon.
Well, I got a hold of Jacob over at Rebel's Den, and it's just opening time, so actually this is a good time for this to happen. I'm probably just a mile away, and I'm glad I did what I did, got on the service road. I should have halt this thing over there. Anyways, the bead broke as I was going around that curve right there. I pulled over right away. I hope I didn't do any damage to the rim. I don't think I did. Just one little scrape right there. Anyways, Rebel's Den's just on the other side of the interstate over that way. About a mile the way the crow flies. And I believe, is that Jacob right there? Let's see. No, he's got an older truck. That ain't it though. Well, it's a beautiful day to be broke down, but I'm so glad I didn't stay on the interstate. Oh, I got someone coming.
Alright, good.
Thanks for stopping.
No problem. You have a good day.
You too. Jacob? Nope, it's not Jacob. Did you figure it out?
Yeah, I got the ramp and everything there. We'll just get you thrown in here because you're already off the beat. I'm actually probably going to try to, it's just going to be so much easier to go downhill with it.
Okay.
I think everybody will be friendly enough. I'll put on my blink on emergencies and just turn around real quick.
Okay. Sounds good. Jacob is a very good guy.
They started making wheels that are tubeless. And it's got a small wheel on it.
Yeah, I'm gonna have him put a tube in it.
Yeah, I will.
Well, Jacob's got my bike back there in the shop. Because of insurance reasons, I can't be back there while he works on my bike, but he's going to get me fixed up inside the shop right now. They carry the Bitwell helmets and the Bell helmets here. A good choice. You know, they have different helmets. The Gringo and a lot of good accessories here. It's a nice little shop. And carry trash, exhaust, Roland Sands design items, drag specialties, and Ken's Factory. A lot of nice stuff here. Like I said, they carry the Bell items, Saddlemen items. Of course, Tony's line of clothing. Ribblesden Cycle Center t-shirts and shirts, button-up shirts. And King Tony, he's the owner of this shop. And Jacob is his main mechanic. Nice little shop. And we've got full range of Saddlemen seats. And the Bell helmets. Nice range of Bell helmets. And bit wheel helmets. Nice shop. Just hanging out here while Jacob's working on my bike. Anyways, should be back on the road shortly.
So we found that this tubeless wheel possibly is, you know, compromised just a little bit. We've seen some of those seals not seal as good as they should. So we're going to get him a tube in here, and that's going to fix it. We're going to get it back on the road.
That's great. Hey, since you got the wheel off and everything, can you check the torques on those?
Definitely, yeah.
Remember, that's the reason.
And then, oh yeah, that's the reason you got messed up last time. And then I'll also do your spokes as well.
Okay.
So make sure the spokes are good and tight for you too.
That's fantastic, Jacob.
Let's get you fixed up, Benny.
Okay. Oh. Got my tire fixed. Had him do a tube. Jacob is a really good guy. Tony, the owner of the shop, is a really good guy. Let's go this way. But I went ahead and had them replace the rear brake pads. I always need to have good brakes. I tend to ride the brakes sometimes too. But this bike is still pretty low mileage, even though I took it on a trip to Cleveland and to Milwaukee and then to Sturgis and back a year and a half ago. But it's a beautiful day. I'm going to enjoy the ride back home. Oh no, speed limit's 45 and it's flashing, and I'm not going 45, I was going like 38. Still got a little bit of ice on the side of the roads. Snow's trying to melt. Yeah, got a mill truck up in front of us. And heading back over to West Little Rock, Arkansas on this country lane. And there's a couple trucks ahead of me. There's one of them's gone. And the one up there that's got all those big white bags, I have no idea what those big white bags are full of. It looks like the guy might be turning. Yeah, doing some construction over there. No idea what that is. I'm going to continue down this country lane. We got the last of the snow there, still hasn't melted off. It's a beautiful day. It's in the 50s. I think it might be in the 60s now. I don't know. I hope to be getting out more videos than I did this last year, and some with some better content. But like I said, if you like this video, hit like. Don't forget to share that video and subscribe. Subscribe. Old Hippie Biker.